guys, look at my voice. It's so low. I do sweat after making 3 recipes in a day. Oh my gosh, which is your favorite, guys? Because when you see this video now that I'm making, you're going to watch this 3 recipe. Please, when you see it, I better try watch. It's not easy for your baby girl. I'm crying. Anyway, I love today's recipe. I have so much fun making them. It did not give me that much stress. And it's so beautiful. Like I love the way I get as I design this bread. Like this bread is so cute. I just love how I get this bread design. Let me know if you love it too. And it's very, very simple. This is a chain. It's a chain bread. Let me know if I did a great job. And this one over here, oh my gosh, this one has sauce and it's a bread too. It has sauce inside, and the sauce is so yummy, and the bread is so yummy. Like it was very, very easy to get done. And the center we have this as an addition of cookies here. This teddy cookies. You can see this what they call it. This chocolate. It's not going to fall. Okay, just follow my recipe. So this one is for as if for the kids. So when my daughter come back now, she's so excited to see this that she will be happy, happy, happy. So that is just it, guys. Let me know what you think about our today recipe. At the same time, this one is the outfit of the day. I love this today because after this moment, I'm going to take it out so that I will edit the videos and then upload for you guys to see. Thank you guys for always being there for me. I love you guys. It's not easy. Like, I appreciate you guys so much. It's not easy, but I appreciate you guys so much for you guys always being there. Anytime I upload video, I always see you guys turning up. May God be there for you guys, really. Anyway, let me just settle and then start uploading video. This is about 3:30 because Amanda will soon be back from school. Thank you guys for watching. So I started by 11 o'clock. That is 11:30, yeah. And then all this is done at this point. Though at this point, I've already uploaded my first post. You guys already see my 3 o'clock video is already there. Anyway, I love you. Let me just cover this gown. This my peperepe. Peperepe. Oh my god, peperepe. I love the gown though. It's so beautiful, so cool, so light, and so yummy. Anyway, I love you, my next one. But let me know your favorite out of this, okay? And let me know if I did a great job. This one is cookies. This one is bread and sauce. And then this one is bread design like chain bread. I made the chain bread like chain. That is a chain bread and it comes out so cute. Let me know what you think. I love you guys. My next one. Bye. Mwah.
How beautiful you are. When I look at you, all I see is stars. Oh yeah, you are so beautiful.